Sometimes you may have blocked any contact in your Apple iPhone. If you want to unblock them, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to unblock any contacts in your Apple iPhone. For this first, what we need to do is open Phone application. When you are opening that Phone application, down here, you can see some options. Here, one option is their contacts. Click on Contacts. When you are clicking on that, here you can see every contacts in your smartphone. If you are not able to see this page, instead, if you are seeing this page, what you need to do is click on All Contacts. When you are clicking on that, you can see every contacts in your smartphone. From this, select the contact which you have blocked. For example, I have blocked this contact, so I am selecting this contact. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see Unblock Caller. Click on Unblock Caller. When you are clicking on that, that person will be unblocked. But one thing is that sometimes you may not remember every contacts that you have blocked. In that case, what you can do is go to Settings. When you are opening Settings, here you can see one option, Apps. Click on this Apps option and here you can see Phone. Click on this Phone. And in this, when you are scrolling down here, you can see Block Contacts. Click on Block Contacts when you are clicking on that. Here you can see every contacts that you have blocked. In my case, only one contact is there. If you want to unblock them, click on Edit button when you are clicking on that. Here you can see one round sign. Just click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Unblock. Click on Unblock. When you are clicking on that, that person will be unblocked. So using these two methods, you can unblock any contacts in your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.